This episode of King Garage, we are going to be fixing this wrecked ass Audi A4. It's not one of our vehicles, belongs to a customer. So I got pretty much at the front of it already taken off of it. You ready to get it on the frame machine. Got most of the parts over here. I'm tired. Got some parts right there. Hey, we're gonna have to get a winch in this motherfucker. This ain't gonna get it. But as soon as we get this winched up, we'll be right back. Got it on the frame machine. It was kind of crooked, as you can tell in the time lapse. I got it over a little more. Got to do some measurements. Got a little pulling to do, but that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm out of breath, tired, a little cold in the shop, and we ain't got the heat on because we got the door open. But next video is gonna be us tying it down some more. And pretty sure I'm gonna have to heat these up. I might not use the big torch, I'm gonna use the small one. I don't wanna burn nothing up. And get these lined back up. So, you guys stay tuned to the wrecked Audi A4. Welcome back. I got it strapped down, did a few measurements or whatnot, blah, blah, blah. So, of course, this side got to go over that way, but it's still kind of leveled. So pretty much all I got to do, I'm going to take my torch, I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to start on this side first. I'm going to heat it up, get it pulled out, do another measurement, come on this side, heat it up, pull it, do a measurement, see where I'm at. And once I get to that point where I got everything kind of lined up, where the radiator support will go back on it, I'm gonna come up top and I'm gonna tend in this area, go ahead and get these fenders off. I left them on to kind of give me an idea of how far I need to come over with it. So once I get over far enough, I'm gonna take these fenders off. This side is fine. Of course, got a bullet hole in it. This side is fine, but I'm gonna take this fender off too. Got new hood hinges. So after I get that lined up, drop everything on it. And of course, it broke the AC compressor pulley. So the customer bought another one of those. I'm gonna see if we can get that replaced and get the new one put on, belt on, get everything buttoned up. I'm gonna do a time lapse on the steps of me doing that because don't nobody wanna hear me jibber jabber about doing this shit. It's a process. It's a tedious process because there's some broken wires that I gotta replace, splice in, figure out what's what, intercooler, all that junk. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Holla at you. I'm back. I got this side a little straightened up a little more because it was leaned up against that. It was pushed up against all this stuff. So I got it about as much as I want it right now until I get the fender on. I got this overture just enough for right now so I can do some more measurement. I'm on this side. So this is not the proper method to do this. So I don't suggest anybody watching this and say, hey, I can do this too. No, don't do this because this shit here can bounce off, fly off, and shoot everywhere. So I got a linked hook so I can pull it from this side so I can get it to that side. So I'm finna do a time lapse just like I did that side. I'm gonna heat this up, heat it up real good so I can go ahead and pull it and get it away from over here because it's like it's wedged. Like it's wedged. So I got some pulling to do on this side. This side wasn't as bad as this side, but this side is way over there. So let me get this heated up and I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna let y'all see it from this angle. You can see it's coming off the intercooler on this side. Got about 2.5, almost 3 inches to go for it to be like dead center where I want it for right now. So still a little tight. Got my post leaning. It's in an odd spot for me, but it's good. So I'm gonna give y'all a view of how it's looking as I'm pulling it on this side. So let me get this set up, get this tension off of this and get it reset. And I'll show you guys how it looks as I'm pulling on it from this side. I'm heat it up again and I'm pull it again. That's why I tell you it's not safe to do it this way, but I'll make it work. Good thing this hook on here, whatever wouldn't have flew off on me. Got about 50 minutes to go over a little more. That'll be good. All right, we're back. You know, it was over here. So, you know, like I said, I was going to get it back over this way. And it's back over this way. So, all I got to do now is come back on this side, straighten this up a little bit, and do whatever the measurements I got to do. Bend that back up, and then we can put the radiator support on. Once we get the radiator support on, we can do everything else. A4. So right now, got the reinforcement bar. This is the original one. I'm gonna see if I can save it. Told the customer I'm gonna try to save it because we couldn't find these posts nowhere. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna get this stuff lined up and see how far along more we need to pull on this side. And of course we got a little
Houston, we have a problem.
Pulling the, doing this out. What going on?
This boat broke.
It broke. Sure did. God damn it.
And we gonna need that thing to distract it out.
Alright, so that's broke. Didn't know it. And now we gotta get an extractor to get that out. Which ain't a big deal, but which is some work that I really don't want to deal with. Alright, just test fitted the radiator support. Got it lined up. So we gotta wire these fans into that module right there. Then once we get radiator support on, get this intercooler crossover pipe bent back straight. We couldn't find one of those. Customer couldn't find one, so we're gonna bend it back straight so we can be able to use it. Lines was trash. Of course, this whole trash. So we're gonna get these wired up. We're gonna get these intercoolers put on because those are leaking. Then they got a whole bunch of oil in them, so might as well go ahead and change them out. And once we do that, get right back to you.